Hi guys, this is Nizi on air, and today we're going to one of the most famous tourist spots around Shenzhen area. And the place where I'm going is called E-GongWan. It's about 80 kilometers from Shenzhen, and it will take me about 2 hours to get there. Not 2 hours, but 1 hour 55 minutes to get there. That's what the GPS says. One other thing is going there by car is a tiny bit complex than going there by a public commute, because if you're going there by car, you need a prior permission to get into the tourist area, and for that permission you need to go to the official website of the local traffic police and apply for a permit with your license plate number. And most of the time they issue you the permit instantaneously, like within a few seconds, on the condition of they have free spots and there's not too much traffic. To control traffic, that's what the situation is like. If you drive there without the permit, most likely you're gonna get a ticket for 3 points and a couple of hundred yuan. I will check it out later and I'll edit in the description down there that how much it costs to, pay the fine. But for now, I have the permission. I've gotten the permission and I'm on my way there. Even the screen tells you that you need to get a prior permission. My car screen, the GPS is telling me that I need a prior permission to get into the area. And long story short, let's go there and take a look. It's like most of the parking spaces are taken, and we need a place. Hey guys, I just made it to E-GongWan. Right here, the strip that you see is the beach of E-GongWan. That's the sandy beach, but where I'm standing right now is basically the rocky beach. On the rocky beach, there are not many people, so that's a plus side. And the water is a lot clearer than over there because it gets a little bit murkier. If you happen to come here and want to go for a swim, I would recommend come to the rocky side, less people, and you can get to enjoy yourself a little bit more than bumping into people over there. One of the other things that I want to mention here on the rocky side of the beach is this bar or a restaurant. I think it's a bar. It's called the Bamboo House, and the Bamboo House is a nice place to chill. You can just sit on the bamboo floors or grab a chair or whatever, or sit at the bar. It's pretty nice. They offer cool drinks, and right now it's super hot and I'm all sweaty. I'm gonna go grab myself a drink. So if you want to come, follow me. And we're back to Shenzhen City. Just look at how beautiful it is. It's good to be back. We enjoyed our day. We had a great time. And now it's time for us to go back to our home and call it a night. It's still early. We enjoyed the sunset. And now it's time for us to enjoy the view of the city at night. It's just beautiful. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and please consider subscribing, like, and comment. Goodbye.